Your geraniums can survive scorching summer heat, produce huge, vibrant blooms, and stay covered in flowers all season long. If your plants have plenty of leaves but very few flowers, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful homemade fertilizers that boost growth, strengthen roots, and dramatically increase blooming. After testing dozens of natural methods over the years, I've found the ones that work best. And one fertilizer near the end uses an ingredient most gardeners throw away. Before we start, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite flower, and which flowers would you like to see homemade fertilizer recipes for next? Simply add them to each pot, and your geraniums will bloom wonderfully. They grow faster and immediately produce many new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vibrant color. For many people, walnut shells are worthless and often end up in the trash. This is a big mistake. I'll show you how to make a flower fertilizer from them. Take about 20 walnuts and remove the shells, as it's the shells we'll use for the mixture. They contain a wealth of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, as well as fiber, amino acids, proteins, and tannins. Place the shells in a pot and cover them with a liter of water. Then, simmer them on low heat with the lid on for 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, strain the mixture. Finally, dilute the solution in a 1:2 ratio with water. You can confidently water your flowers with this mixture. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The color will be more vibrant, and most importantly, the number of flowers will significantly increase. While walnut shells provide a strong dose of nutrients, they're not the only kitchen scrap that can transform your geraniums. Another common ingredient can push blooming even further and help plants produce even more flowers. Geraniums will droop under the weight of the flowers. Just one ingredient is needed. Geraniums can amaze with intense blooming all season long. There's no need to use expensive fertilizers or chemicals. This natural feed works wonders and only takes a few minutes to prepare. All you need are a few medium-sized potatoes, which have magical powers I'll tell you about shortly. Peel the potatoes. You don't need to do it too carefully. Then prepare a grater and grate them coarsely. Add the grated potatoes to boiling water. Cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After cooking, let it cool. Then strain through a sieve. The liquid you get is the ready-made fertilizer. Used once every 2 to 3 weeks, it supports blooming, strengthens the plants, and improves their appearance. Potatoes are a source of potassium and phosphorus, elements essential for lush flowers. This is a simple way to enjoy healthy, beautiful geraniums without spending money. Strong blooming is important, but sometimes geraniums become stressed and start losing their vibrant color. That's where the next fertilizer comes in, helping revive tired plants and bring them back to life. Water your geraniums with this, and even wilted flowers will quickly regain their color and start blooming beautifully again. All you need is one simple ingredient that you already have in your kitchen. With it, your geraniums will regain their vibrant appearance, become fuller, intensely green, and covered in colorful flowers. Take an onion, which is rich in natural nutrients that support plant growth. Peel it carefully, but don't throw away the skins, as they contain many valuable minerals that help strengthen leaves and improve flower health. Now take a larger jar, place all the onion skins in it, and cover them with water. Close the jar, cover it with a cloth, and leave it for about 2 days. During this time, all the beneficial components from the onion will infuse into the water, creating a natural homemade fertilizer. After 2 days, strain the mixture through a sieve. Now, prepare a spray bottle. Pour the ready solution into it, and close the bottle tightly. Spray the leaves and flowers thoroughly to refresh them and aid their recovery. Take a watering can, pour about 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared solution, then add about 17 fluid ounces of water, and mix well. Use this mixture to water the soil around the geraniums, to strengthen the roots and encourage growth. After just a few days, your geraniums will look healthier, and their leaves and flowers will regain their beautiful appearance. Use this natural fertilizer regularly once a week, and your geraniums will bloom even more abundantly. This will keep your plants healthy and beautiful throughout the entire summer season. Once your geraniums recover their color and strength, the next step is keeping them blooming continuously. These two fertilizers work on both root development and flower production, creating the perfect combination for long-lasting results. I'll share the secret of an eco-friendly fertilizer that will make your geraniums bend under the weight of their blooms. Geraniums need the right fertilizer to grow healthy and flower beautifully, so make it now. Take one banana, peel it, cut it into smaller pieces, and place it in a jar. Banana peel is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which support plant growth. Add about 0.35 ounces of fresh yeast to a bowl. Yeast is an excellent source of minerals and enzymes, helps speed up plant growth, and improves soil structure. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to activate the yeast, then pour in about 3 fluid ounces of warm water and mix until the yeast dissolves. Pour the mixture into the jar with the banana and add about 1 quart of water so the ingredients combine. Leave the solution for a few days so the ingredients can blend well and ferment. Take a watering can, pour in some of the solution, add about 1 quart of water to dilute it, and water your geraniums with this fertilizer once a week. You will notice how quickly they grow, become stronger, and start blooming beautifully. Regular use of this natural fertilizer will help your plants thrive in a healthy and balanced environment. The fertilizers you've seen so far are incredibly effective, but the final recipe combines multiple powerful ingredients into one solution. It's often the secret behind geraniums that seem to explode with blooms week after week. With these fertilizers, your geraniums will be covered in blooms all season long. Geraniums can flower very abundantly, but they need the right amount of nutrients to do so. Start by making this fertilizer from used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds contain valuable minerals, improve soil structure, and help the soil retain moisture for longer. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a container and pour in about 4 cups of water. Stir well and let it sit for about 1 hour. Then strain the mixture and pour 1 cup into the flower pot. This amount is enough to provide the roots with nutrients, support leaf growth, and encourage the plant to produce more flower buds. Repeat this treatment every 2 weeks. The second fertilizer is made from yeast. Take a tall container and add about 2 teaspoons of fresh yeast. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar feeds the yeast and helps activate the natural processes in the solution. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of lukewarm water and mix everything thoroughly. Many gardeners value yeast because it supports root development and helps keep plants strong and healthy. Let the mixture sit for about 1 hour, then water the geraniums with 1 cup of the solution. This amount is enough to support growth and encourage the formation of new flower buds. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks as well. Regular use of both fertilizers helps strengthen the plants, promotes healthy growth, and supports the development of new blooms. Which fertilizer recipe did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and homemade fertilizer recipes. See you in the next video.